Alright, y'all. I feel like I've done this before, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna try and do it again because I don't know if it works. Aren't you tired of going in the store and seeing delicious flavors in the K cups and they don't have it in the bag version? Yeah, so they only, the delicious flavors, they never seem to be in the bag version. So I'm gonna try that because I found what? Toasted coconut. So yeah, y'all, we gonna see. I think just one of these will be fine. I did Google and some people did say that they use maybe 2 or 3 of these for a pot of coffee, but we're only gonna make one now. This I'm still loving this. Like 6 months later, I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so look at it, y'all. Why wouldn't it work the same? Let's see. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, it looks about right, y'all. That looks like a perfect amount for 1 cup of coffee. I love that blue light. And when it's done, it cuts off. It's so cute. I love this thing. Uh-oh, I think it's working. I think it's working. Look at it, y'all. It's smelling good. Watch the light go out, y'all. That's my favorite part. It went out. Mmm. So y'all ended up using 2 because for some reason sometimes it's not strong enough. It's not strong. So let's. Woo. That's hot. It's super hot. Y'all gotta be careful when y'all do that. Y'all gotta let it cool down. Oh yeah. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Yeah, y'all. I think it worked. I think it worked. Why wouldn't it? In theory, it's ground coffee, and it's like the same process. Super hot. Ooh, it's super hot. Okay, y'all. This is straight black with no cream, no sugar, which is usually what I put in it. So I just wanted to taste it real quick. It worked, y'all. That worked. That definitely worked. And I already had coffee today, so I'm just going to save it for tomorrow and reheat it. That works. So if you want it strong, if you want it your cup of coffee strong, use 2. If you don't, just use 1, which I think the 1 is just fine. It worked. It worked. And as y'all can see, I gotta clean. I've been using this thing every day. I love it. So you got this all stained up. Yeah, y'all, it worked. It worked.